I think some of the greatest transitioning that you're seeing Muncie going through today is the many economic development projects we have occurring right now all over the city. The Ark Hotel downtown, the new construction for Walnut Street, Madison Street being completely rebuilt this summer. The Village Promenade project out in the University Village, just a few years ago, not very many people were proud of that village area, and I think now they're very proud of it. The development that we're having from Martin and University over to the White River Parkway is going to be a great economic development opportunity, we believe. Then if you look at the Muncie Marketplace project out on the Galliard where Dick's Sporting Goods is today, and McAllister's Deli and Men's Warehouse and others, all of these are ways that we're hoping that will drive development, bring new jobs into our community.
In last year, in 2014, throughout the city, we created over $140 million in additional capital investment, 400 plus jobs, and over 1,200 construction jobs. One of the big advantages of having growth and capital investment back into your community is to be able to reinvest from that. And one of the advantages here is we're able to reinvest over $7 million back into infrastructure improvements into Muncie, Indiana. Those areas include the Downtown Streetscape Project, the Martin Street Project in the Village. We're going to be investing in neighborhood improvements of sidewalks and streets in South Muncie at a tune of about $1 million. And this is all coming from the opportunities that we've been able to create through capital investments from the previous years. For upcoming projects, we have approximately 5 projects in the works right now that we intend will bring in over $30 million in capital investment. It will add an additional 400 plus jobs and create hundreds of jobs in the construction field.
As I drive around our great community sometimes in the evenings and on the weekends, I see license plates from all over East Central Indiana again, which tells me that Muncie is beginning again to become the destination center for East Central Indiana, and that's our vision. And at the end of the day, what all of these projects are doing, I hope, is will drive more economic development, bring more jobs into our community, and all of those at the end of the day mean a better quality of place, a better quality of life, and sustainability for all of our citizens. And that's what the people of Muncie want, and we believe that by working together, we're going to accomplish those goals.